Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying healthy and crafty as well. And if you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you are interested in watching these type of videos, keep on watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap the bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, this is a video response for a 800 Subbie challenge hosted by the lovely Jossie Posie here in YouTube. So she required for us to send to her one memory dex card. So this time I sent to her 3 memory dex cards. So enough of the talking, let's flip the camera so you can watch what I sent to Jossie. I am making a video response for a 800 Subbie challenge giveaway that is hosted by Jossie Posie here in YouTube. I am going to leave a link to her video in the description box below. So let's start. I'm going to show you my first memory dex card. I'm going to come closer here, and as you can see, I used Maggie Holmes paper collection, and I had put together these embellishment, I would say last year, for a swap, and I made extra ones, so I decided to make an envelope, like a shaker envelope. I used my envelope puncher, added some sequins here. This is a chipboard and a mini bow. Had some of these specialty fabric from Joann's Fabric, and I like this jemmy, and it says imagine, and I stitched this sticker. So this is how it comes out. Now the second memory dex card is this one. This is kind of like a beachy theme memory dex card. I'm gonna come closer here. I had these metal dies in the shape of like a bikini, so I used some of my papers that I had in my stash, and this is a banner that says explore. I added this little kind of like a bow from a Walmart trim, and as you can see, this memory dex card, this is my back, it has a compartment. So I'm gifting her Summer Loving, some tags, and some Project Life cards. So it's just a cute memory dex card. And the last memory dex card, I used the Sweet Story collection from Maggie Holmes. Used a lot of chipboard stickers, layer them around. I also used this ephemera that came with the collection and added some sequins, you know, kind of like a shaker type. And this is it. I think it turned out really cute too. Here's my name, handmade. So I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see the 3 memory dex cards that I am sending to Jossie Posie, and I am going to link her video in the description box below. And again, if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks very much for watching, my crafty friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.